Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and today we are going to see video presentation on digital well-being for Android. It helps you to make adjustments to your phone setting and create daily habits that work for you. Digital well-being fine-tune your tech habits to achieve your personal digital well-being goals with Android's new feature, digital well-being. It helps you to 1. Stay focused, 2. Set timer and daily limit, 3. Customize notification, 4. Snooze notification. 5. Do not disturb. 6. Bedtime mode. 7. Grayscale mode. 8. Switch off work, etc. Still confused? Let's learn how to do it with an Android phone to achieve digital well-being goal. Point 1. Stay focused. Understand how you're using your device. Getting a better, more detailed understanding of your tech use is the first step toward improving your overall digital well-being. The dashboard gives you a complete picture of how you use your phone. See your daily screen time, how many notifications you get, and how often you unlock your phone. With a single tap, Focus Mode pauses apps that you've selected to minimize distractions and better focus your time. You can even set a schedule to turn on Focus Mode automatically. How to make it possible? It's simple. To start the feature simply, open your phone setting app, then tap to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control, and then tap Show Your Data or click on Dashboard. If you want to limit the time you spend using certain apps or websites, you can set daily timers. When the timer runs out, the app or website is paused for the rest of the day. The procedure is simple. Tap to Focus Mode, select the app, and tap to Turn On Now to take a break for 5, 15, 30 minutes. This is the screenshot of Dashboard, where you can easily view application use and different modes and functions. Point 2. Set a timer and daily limit. It helps you to create boundaries for yourself. Setting limits for certain apps and sites can keep you from scrolling the day away. If you want to limit the time you spend using certain apps or websites, you can set daily timers. When the timer runs out, the app or website is paused for the rest of the day. Tap Dashboard, select app and set up the timer. Digital well-being tools and features can help you to better understand your technology use, disconnect when you want, and create healthy habits for the whole family. Point 3. Customize notification. It's easy to control all your notification from the main dashboard. Change notification settings for your Android device or just for specific apps. You decide which alerts you see, what they look like, and how often you see them. It's simple. Select application, tap on a notification, then from the dashboard, tap the notification and select multiple apps. Point 4. Bedtime mode. Bedtime mode reminds you to switch off at night. You can set a schedule or have it turn on while charging your phone. Grayscale changes the screen to black and white, and Do Not Disturb silences notifications to help you get a good night's sleep. Tap Digital Wellbeing, scroll down, tap Bedtime Mode. Point 5. Grayscale mode. Grayscale turns your screen black and white, reducing the attention-grabbing nature of many app icons. To enable Grayscale mode, tap on Bedtime Mode, and select Grayscale mode. Point 6. Parental control. Whether your children are younger or in their teens, the Family Link app lets you set digital ground rules to help guide them as they learn, play, and explore online. Manage your time spent in apps and on sites. Remind yourself to take a break. Take control of your video experience. Simplify your home screen. Family Link helps you guide them to good content. View their activity. Manage their app. Feed their curiosity. Keep an eye on screen time. Set app limit. Lock device. And see where they are, so you can locate them. Thank you. for watching presentation video on digital well-being, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us at www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.